Hey, this is Meridith Elliott Powell. When's the last time you made a cold call? Wait, let me change that. When's the last time you made an effective cold call? Because I think there's something you need to understand about cold calling in today's marketplace if you want to be effective. I just made a cold call 2 weeks ago. And from that cold call, I just landed one of the biggest deals that I have landed all year long. So what made that cold call special, different from any other cold calls I had made in my history? When I made the cold call, my prospect had already heard of me and about me. In fact, they had been following me on LinkedIn for a long time. I had no idea. But when my phone call and my email came through to them, they anxiously picked up the phone and they responded. Why? Because by investing in my digital footprint, by building my reputation, by positioning myself as an expert, I was able to warm up a cold call and turn a cold call into a deal. So what does that mean for you? It means keep cold calling. But before you do, understand that in sales today, marketing is a big piece of it. And you have got to build your reputation online. You've got to know who your prospect is. You've got to know where they're looking for information. You need to know what their challenges and problems are. And then you need to put yourself into their box so that they are finding you. They have heard of you and about you. You do that, you'll not only get your cold calls answered, but you'll turn all of this uncertainty into your greatest competitive advantage. Listen, I'll see you next week with another sales tip because I want you to be successful in today's ever-changing marketplace.